out with those menus now, so it's going to be good eating it. I know it's for New Orleans, it's not really much of a sacrifice for us. We've had a few little spotty showers showing up on radar. North of the lake have had a few little light sprinkles here and there as well as in Mississippi. Even had a few across parts of the city around Gentilly, now toward the lakefront, near the lakefront airport, and even picked up on radar near Hopedale what looks to be almost a little marsh fire, as even the radar is able to kind of pick up that particulate matter in the atmosphere, and it looks like a little bit of a marsh fire there. We do have a mix of sun and clouds outside now. That's what we saw all day today. Current temperature is 80 degrees. The dew point is 70. So yet again, we're not going to be cooling down much. And today's high is a record. We had been sitting at 82 for much of the afternoon, but the observing station at the airport did clock in at 83 degrees. So it was a record-breaking afternoon high. 71 was our morning low. That's above the average high for this time of year at 68 degrees. In the 70s to low 80s outside right now. Dew points in the upper 60s, low 70s. It is warm, it is humid, it is breezy. Now the winds will be settling tonight. Little patchy fog moving in, and it doesn't look like the winds are going to be nearly as strong over the next couple of days, but otherwise temperatures are going to remain about the same. So far less wind, maybe an occasional little gust here and there, but winds will be far less during the day tomorrow and really going into the rest of the weekend. Kind of a more active pattern out west, where parts of even Southern California getting in on snowfall, and then cold air up across the northern states. But that cold air has been able to make it even across parts of the plains and some of the southeast. That cold air mass has stopped, though, well to our north, and no signs of a front coming our way anytime soon. The reason for that is the front is basically paralleling the upper atmosphere. And what that means is there isn't anything to really push the front any farther south. So it kind of stalls up across north and central Arkansas, not making it down here. As a matter of fact, we're once again going to be dominated by a ridge of high pressure, which keeps us mostly dry and also very warm. Little weak disturbance by Monday may help to push a very weak front through Monday night into early Tuesday, but otherwise we will continue a very warm trend for at least the next 7+ days. Maybe some indications just beyond our 7-day forecast of a bit of a cool down, but the likelihood of us staying warm through the next 6 to 10 days, or at least above average, is very, very likely. Again, maybe a cool down toward the end of next week. That southwesterly flow is going to keep some mid-level cloudiness around and really prevent any kind of front from making their way south. Even the front that we are expecting early next week is not going to be particularly strong. A little stray sprinkle here and there is about all we can expect in terms of rainfall, but rain chances less than 10%. I don't even really mention them as we head into the end of the week and through the start of the weekend. High temperatures not really going anywhere. Each day we're going to be coming close to records generally in the lower 80s, and that's about where we're going to stay through Monday. Only a slight drop in temperature by Tuesday. That's the big cool down in our 7-day forecast. We're right back into the low 80s next Wednesday and Thursday.
The Pelicans